Welcome back to my channel, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how my hairstylist Kendall installs my lace frontal wigs. So first things first, you want to go ahead and apply your wig cap. After that, you want to apply foundation or concealer of your choice to that wig cap. Next, you want to just go ahead and cut all that extra part of the wig cap off. You want to make sure you're cutting right above the hairline because, baby girl, we gotta protect them edges. By all means, protect the edges. It's by force. So go ahead, just, cut all of that off. We don't need it. Now we're just gonna go ahead, clean the forehead up, get a little alcohol, wipe it down, clean it up, because you want your lace to be laid and you don't want to have like that pasty looking like white stuff on there. It's a no for me. So as you can see in the video, Kendall went ahead and just laid the wig down. Now we just doing a little measurements. We're gonna go ahead and cut on the side our flat pieces so that way we can have those baby hairs. As I would like to say, this is my favorite part when I get a side part, is the edge. My edges on the side, my sideburns are laid because she went ahead and cut those little flaps right over there to your right side and your left side. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's the part that you all been waiting for. She's about to glue down the frontal. In this video, Kendall is using Ghost Bond glue to lay the frontal down. You're going to apply one coat the first time. Go ahead, smooth it down, rub it in. You want to let it get a little tacky. Then she's going to go ahead and apply another coat of glue. So we are at 2 coats of glue. Repeat again, rub it in, let it get all tacky. I don't know what I was watching, but clearly whatever she had playing on, I was very into it because all you see is me watching the TV, and usually I be asleep, y'all. As you can see, Kendall let the glue dry a little bit so it can become tacky. Now it is time to flip that frontal over and lay it down because it is about to be melted, baby. Here you can see that Kendall is just going through and combing the hairline, and what she's doing right here is making sure that the wig is secured down. Now she's about to apply the heat. Go ahead, baby girl, run that comb through that hair because this right here is what's going to give you that melted look. They don't call my girl get lace for nothing. Now go ahead and cut off all the extra lace. Go ahead, cut it off, chop, chop. We do not need it because, what are you going to use it for? Honestly, what are you going to use it for? So, I forgot to show you guys on the video how Kendall did my baby hairs. I'm not sure if my camera died during that part, but you'll see her do a little touch up on the baby hairs. That little black stuff that she has wrapped around my forehead, that's to protect the baby hairs. That's just the satin wrap papers. This video was shot over a year ago, so now she uses a different method, but either way it goes, my baby hairs are still going to be laid. On to the styling part of the video. As you can see here, Kendall is curling my hair with the curling iron, getting my curls all nice and bouncy and fluffy. I love curls, so the best kind of hair to purchase in texture wise would be body wave hair if you like curls because it'll hold your curl for a much longer time. In this video, I have straight silky hair from her Crown collections, but even though I have straight hair, the curls are still going to be bomb. Keep watching. So my girl is now finished with my curls, and she's going to go ahead and cut that satin wrap right off, and bam, hold on, get into it. Y'all see it. It's the baby hairs. I told y'all it was going to be slayed. I told y'all. So what she's doing here is just going over my baby hairs and doing a little touch up, making sure it is perfect. Because you know, I told y'all in the beginning of the video, I really care about my baby hairs. And my favorite part is the little edge on the side. Y'all see that? The little swoop of the comb. My girl already know. She know. Now this is how you install a lace frontal wig. Look at the curls and please get into these baby hairs. When I say my girl Kendall did her thing with this install, she did her thing. I'm definitely going to leave all the information in the description bar for her. If you guys are in Virginia, Norfolk, Virginia to be exact, you can definitely book with her. And I will also leave the information for this hair company. It's called Her Crown Collection. So you guys can definitely shop with them. This install was amazing. And I hope that this video was helpful on learning how to install a lace frontal wig and even just helping you guys with styling. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel so you can watch more content. Bye guys.